A lot of cleaning company owners try cold email. They either do it themselves or hire someone to send 20, 30, maybe even 50 well-researched cold emails per day. On paper, it sounds smart. Fewer emails, but higher quality, right? The problem though, in 2025, 50 cold emails per day will not cut it. And today I'll show you why and what works instead if you actually want commercial walkthroughs booked on a consistent basis. So let's break down the math. 50 cold emails sent per day equaling 250 cold emails sent per week. Average reply rate for a cleaning cold email campaign without too much personalization is about 2 to 4%. That's 5 to 7 replies total per week. And here's the kicker. Most of those replies aren't actually true opportunities. They're not interested, we already have this handled, or take me off your list, or even one-time jobs that you just can't scale with, so you don't want to take. That leaves you with maybe 1 to 2 decent conversations a week. And hopefully you're booking them into walkthroughs. That's really not enough to consistently book enough walkthroughs or grow past being just in the residential space. Even if those emails are well researched, you're not putting enough volume into the market to see predictable results. The companies that are winning with cold email aren't relying on one person sending 30 polished, well-researched emails a day. They're running email campaigns with multiple secondary domains and multiple secondary inboxes rotating. So instead of 50 cold emails per day, you can safely send 1,500 or more per day with automated follow-ups built in and just simply not having to send it manually from your email account. One shot versus 5 touches per prospect, what's going to win? Probably going to give you a way better edge having those 5 touches per prospect. Instead of hoping someone replies to your single message, you're consistently staying top of mind until they respond. Now, volume only works if you're actually having enough relevance in those emails. So if you're blasting out 1,500 generic emails, they'll just get ignored. You'll get a couple replies and it'll give you more output because you're putting more input in. But to get higher reply rates, that's where AI comes in. So AI can help you write short, personalized openers to get them to open your email because it shows up in the preview text, and then at the same time it gets them hooked and gets them thinking about their current solution, if it's what they should actually have, or if they should be saying, yes, I'm interested in a quote. So instead of saying, hi, do you need cleaning services? I'm asking because I've been in business for this long, yada, yada, yada. Instead, you could use AI, and it's affordable to do this in a very bulk way with all the different prospects. It will web scrape what their company does, what they likely need to have cleaned at the facility, and it can write a message that looks like, how do you ensure your exam rooms meet compliance standards between appointments? That's the difference between a 2% reply rate and a 7 to 12% reply rate across US markets. Doing this is how Molly at Ehlers Building Maintenance went from landing 1 occasional client per month to 4 to 10 new recurring commercial clients every month. Will from Hurricane Cleaning getting a couple leads in a month to 77 quality commercial leads in 30 days. Then Andy at Hygia Services getting a couple quality leads per month to several per weekday. And none of these clients are getting this output from sending 30 relevant emails per weekday. Instead, it's sending 1,500 at the minimum per weekday. So yes, well-researched will help you improve your reply rates, but you need enough volume, using enough secondary domains and secondary inboxes, so email inboxes. And then again, you need relevance and AI personalization that makes every email feel one-to-one, personalized and relevant to what their facility likely needs to have cleaned, and then also what their role likely entails. That's what makes this work. So if you are interested in learning more, check out more videos on the YouTube channel. I've also linked resources down below in the description and client testimonials so you can watch what they say about the service that we do. If you are interested in just working together, there's a Calendly link to book in, and you can talk to our team about getting more quality commercial leads on a regular basis. We can help you grow your cleaning business. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would appreciate that. I will see you in the next video. Bye.